Hi, good morning, Javier. I am recording this short video to show you or to give you an idea how prices of homes or where you can start basing your offer on a property. So what I have prepared is I'm going to be sending you an email with this, and I'm going to attach this PDF file that I'm showing you here in the video. But anyways, basically this is the location of the house that you're interested in, Sunbird, and these are all their properties that sold in another property that is available for sale right now. So basically, all these houses, as you can see, the house in Sunbird is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, built in 1997, with 2,200 square feet, in a lot of 5,763 square feet. But all the houses that I'm showing you here, and we're going to be comparing, they're all homes that are very similar, and perhaps a little bit superior to the house that you're interested in. So all of them have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, built similar year built, about the same square footage in the lot. And see what they sold for. In June, you have a house sold for $210,000, $192,000, $193,000, and $214,500. And you have one house that's exactly the same for $204,800, and the house that you're interested in for $195,000. So as flipping this information, you can see pictures of all the homes with descriptions. This is a very similar home. This property sold for $210,000. The following house was a house, I think, very similar, also on the square footage size, but perhaps the condition sold for $192,000. Then another one, this is a 2-story, but it's about the same square footage, same year built, sold for $193,000. Okay, ceramic tile floors. It's about the same house. It's just it happens it comes in 2. And then you have this other house that sold for $214,500. This one sold in September 27th. Okay, so even though these houses are 2 stories compared to 1 stories, but they are very similar in square footage. And here there's another house for sale right now in the same neighborhood, similar floor plan. This house is for sale for $204,800. And then the house that you like has been on the market for 42 days actually, and the asking price is $195,000. If you have any questions, please give me a call. If this house will be fixed, probably would be worth somewhere about $210,000. So you already have about $15,000 worth of equity. Okay, if you have any questions, 281-804-9906. Thank you.